Brandisimonchenzo.com. So what we have here is the 110R Corsair Mid ATX Gaming Tower case. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot because I'm fly. You ain't because you're not. This is why. So this is the front of the beautiful reveal. And then boom, we got extra power for overclocking potential. Of course. The modular cords. ATX power supply 750 watt. I'm sweating with excitement. Precision.
Fucking decision.
Management.
So you can fit 3 of my fingers in there. Maybe a pinky. If anyone wants to put it into perspective.
So we're currently on the motherboard stage. We're gonna hook in the Ryzen 7 3700X 450F. Sex.
He fucking went right in there, boy. Ooh, you hear that click?
Beauty.
You hear that click? Butter.
So we got the water cooler installed, mids installing the motherboard. Shit, okay, alright. This is the GeForce RTX.
Just sagging. Sagging.
Oh.
Do it.
Oh.
Just do it. Come on. Come on.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Sagging.
Brandisimonchenzo.com.